Everybody, old man Ralph out here again on a Friday afternoon, and hope everybody doing well. Wanted to come out and sing another old tune for you, and this is one that John Fogerty wrote many moons ago, back in 1969, and it was one of my favorite tunes. Anyway, it's called "Who'll Stop the Rain," and I hope you enjoy it. Long as I remember, the rain's been coming down. Clouds of mystery pouring, confusion on the ground. Looking through the ages, trying to find the sun. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? I went down Virginia, seeking shelter from the storm. Caught up in the fable, I watch the towers grow. 5-year plans and new deals, wrapped in golden chains. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? Heard the singers playing, oh how we cheered for more. The crowd had rushed together, trying to keep warm. Still the rain kept pouring, falling on my ears. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? I hope everybody enjoyed it, and I hope everybody has a great, safe weekend. Take care now. Bye.